Hey, Kevin Coy here from Firehouse Education. Some of you may know me, some of you may not, and I do have something for you, so stick with me on this video. You probably know my wife a little better than me. Her name's Anissa, and she's on Ask Anissa every week on R&R Magazine. But what I want to do is talk to you about this little mystery box that we want to give you free. And you're going to want to know why and what's inside it here in a minute. And so what I'm going to tell you is this. What's inside this box made us $100,000, over $100,000 in 10 days. Okay? So if you're a cleaner, restorer, you're going to want to know what's in this box. And we first developed this, and it's been a closely held secret of ours for quite a while, but we're going to let the cat out of the box, so to speak. Let me tell you how you can get this. If you're coming to our workshop at the Experience next month, September 4th, you will get one of these boxes and find out just exactly what's in here. There's tools in here that we used when we went into a cold market, not our backyard per se, but in a cold market, in a catastrophe situation. We created $100,000+ in revenue in 10 days, and we had, I say we had competitors. There were competitors around us. There was about 100 companies in our vicinity, but we had no competition because of what's in this box. Have I built enough intrigue yet? Okay, let me continue. So you can come to the event, you can get one. The other way you can get this box is if you find me anywhere during the event at the Experience, and I'll be around, and ask me for one of these. I will have a limited number of these with me for those who have not come to the class. Now again, if you come to the class, you get one. So go register for the class. It's the day before the actual event starts. It's our workshop that we're putting on called High Profit Contents Restoration. Is it for you? Okay, so how do you find me? I'm not going to have a booth. You can come to the class, or you look for this Flamin' Hot shirt here, this Flamin' Hot shirt worn by this hot guy that Firehouse Education, Flames, get it right here. Let me turn around a little bit. In case you're following me from behind, this is what it looks like. If you see me up front, I'll have a box for you. Okay, so another way you can get this little black box with all these great tools is to come to an event called Preparing to Respond in October down in Florida. And we will be there putting on a workshop. And for those of you that are already registered for the workshop, you get one. If you haven't registered for the workshop yet, you need to, because you want to get one. If you didn't get a chance to register and you're going to be at the event, we have a booth there, and I'll be wearing this shirt again. If you approach me from behind, you can see this. If you approach me from the front, this is what it looks like. Just come up and ask me and I'll give you a box. Now, I'll have a limited supply of these at that event as well. You're guaranteed one if you're in the class. If you see us on the floor and we haven't run out of these yet, you get one. You just have to come up and ask me. Now, the event that we're putting on, the workshop, is the day before, October 2nd, okay? And it's called How to Make 100K in 10 Days. Starting to see a theme here. 100K, 100K, Flames. Firehouse Education. Okay, so that's how you get them. And don't forget, we'll see you there, and good things come in black boxes.